Here 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Then 4 times 8 gives us 32. Finally 32 divide 32 gives us 1. But this answer absolutely wrong, because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, finally addition or subtraction. Remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. Same applies addition and subtraction. So here in this expression, one is division, multiplication, parenthesis, and also addition. So first we do parenthesis. So here we do 32 divide 4 plus 4. Now we know that first we do parenthesis, so first we do 4 plus 4. 32 divide 4 times 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Now here we know that division and multiplications have an equal priority. Always work from left to right. So first we do division, then multiplication. Now 32 upon 4 times 8. Now here we simplify 4 and 8. We use table for 1 and here is 2. So here 32 times 2 gives us is equal to 2 into 4 and 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to 64. This is the right answer.